Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the easiest, fastest and the cheapest way to send money from the USA to India in 2025. Whether you are sending money to family, for education or for your own savings, I shall break down the best options, fees, transfer time and safety tips. Make sure to watch till the end. I shall share a trick to save up to 5% on the currency conversion fees. First, let's talk about how money transfer work. When you send money internationally, your dollars are converted into Indian rupees. There are three main ways to do this. Bank to bank wire transfers, online money transfer apps like Wise, Remitly, Western Union, and number three, cash pickup or digital wallets. Each has different fees, speed and exchange rates. So let's compare. So number first is Wise, formerly TransferWise, or I can say also call it TransferWise. So why you should choose this? It's the best overall rates and low fees, speed 1 to 2 business days, and a pro tip in the last, always check mid-market rates while show real exchange rates. So number 2 is Remitly. Fast delivery, especially for emergencies. Speed instant to 1 day. Pro tip, express option is fast but costs more. Economy is cheaper. So number third is Western Union or MoneyGram. So why you should choose this cash pickup option for recipients without bank accounts? Speed minutes. Yeah, you heard it right. You can send transfer money in minutes. Pro tip: fees are higher. Good for small urgent transfers. Number four is bank wire transfers. Why you should choose this? It's a traditional and reliable source. Speed is very slow, 2 to 5 business days. So last pro tip: watch out for hidden conversion fees. Your bank may charges 3 to 5%. Number five is PayPal and Payoneer. Why you should choose this? Popular for freelancers and businesses. Speed same day to almost 2 days. Pro tip: higher fees, good for receiving international payments. In the last, let's talk about how to save money. Compare rates before sending. Even a small difference can save you $20 to $30. Send larger amounts less frequently. Most services charge per transaction. Avoid sending money on weekends/holidays. Exchange rates may be worse. And last tip, use referral bonuses. Apps like Wise and Remitly often gives a discounts for first time users.
And the last, conclusion and call to action. So that's how you can send money from the USA to India quickly with a minimal fees in 2025. Which service do you prefer, Wise, Remitly or something else? Comment below and let me know. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it with your friends who also send money abroad.